Hello everybody. Today we're going to be talking about our dog Pinky.
Come here. There she is. Look.
Hi.
Isn't she beautiful?
Rico, tell her how old she is.
How old are you?
Yeah, how old are you, Pinky?
How old are you, Pinky? Oh, she said 1.
Oh, she's 1 year old.
She's this is
So, wait. Are you a girl or a boy?
She said she's a girl.
Okay. What's your favorite thing to do? I saw that you were laying on that sun. So what's your favorite thing to do?
Laying the sun.
Ah, your favorite thing is laying in the sun. Okay. So, do you love your family? Do you love your family?
Yes.
You love your family. Okay.
She's very lovely.
What do you like to eat?
Her bones.
Oh, you like to eat your cookie bones. Your milk bones. Okay. And what's your favorite thing to drink, of course?
Water.
Do you like to eat other things that you see on the floor?
Yes.
So,
Everything like chocolate too.
but you will get sick.
If she's chocolate.
Yeah.
Like
And other
egg.
stuff. So,
Okay, so Pinky is very lovely. She does sometimes pee pee or poop on the over there.
okay. Bye, guys. Pinky, you want? Say goodbye, Pinky.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.